Hi there, it's Ricard from didymoStrapS. In this video, I will show you how to install a 4-element strap. Standard or curved spring bars can be used to install the strap, depending on the space between the case and the spring bar. For this watch, I use the curved spring bars, as the space is very narrow. The 4-element strap has a stitch end to place within the watch lugs at 6 and a side with a floating looper to place it at 12. Using a spring bar tool or the fingers to install the strap is very easy, always from the case back side. To place the strap within the watch lugs at 12, slide the floating looper to the center of the strap and install the spring bar as was done before. To fit the watch strap on your wrist, release the hook clasp from the metal keeper and slide the floating looper to the hook while releasing the bottom part of the strap to obtain the maximum possible circumference. Important trick: slide the watch to the wrist through the palm of the hand. Place the watch on your wrist and pull the strap carefully to make the hook clasp reach the metal keeper. Try to prevent the leather from grabbing too much on the watch case. Once the hook is adjusted, slide the floating looper to the watch lugs at 12. Easy, right? Thanks for watching.